What are you drawing over there, sweetie?
I am drawing a big picture of us.
Oh, that sounds absolutely beautiful.
Roots and Recipes is a
Making this with
beautifully
lots of
curated
love
collection
just for
featuring
you.
some of the finest dishes
It
you'll
needs
ever bring
just-
into your
it needs
kitchen.
just a bit more.
Inside, you'll find everything from comforting soups that warm the soul, hearty pastas that gather
The secret
families
is
around the
letting it
table,
simmer.
refreshing beverages perfect for any
Gotta have
season,
patience,
and a
just a
variety
little
of
bit
unique,
more.
flavorful creations that highlight tradition, creativity, and community. This cookbook was lovingly crafted by a team of dedicated women who not only brought their recipes to life, but also came together to share their stories, their heritage, and their passion for cooking. Their collaboration resulted in a stunning collection that reflects both culinary skill and the spirit of unity.
Making some of your
Every
favorite
page
stew
carries a
today.
piece of their heart,
It
making
is
Roots
all
and
about
Recipes more than just a
fresh
cookbook.
herbs.
It's a
You are
celebration
going
of
to
culture,
love this.
connection, and creativity.
Are you getting
Proudly
hungry over
presented
there?
by the Learn
I
Wiser
sure am,
community,
Grandma.
this project stands as a true labor of love. It's the kind of cookbook you'll want to keep within reach, revisit often, and pass down through generations.
Let's see what
Whether
we
you're an
get next.
experienced cook or just
Just a
beginning your
little
culinary
pinch of
journey, Roots and
herbs.
Recipes offers inspiration, comfort, and the sense of home. Order your copy today using the link below, and continue following our journey as we elevate this project even further. There's so much more to come, and we're excited to share every step with you.